Hello, everybody, and welcome, 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 welcome. We are here, and we are here for a good cause. We're here for a great cause. We got a lot to talk about tonight. You can see the board behind me. It's just chock full of different things about assembling an attractive personality. And we're going to study out of this book. This book is a great book. You got to get this book. Get this book from the Hill Foundation and make sure that you follow along with these videos. This book has compiled everything about success and put it in one place. Napoleon Hill, in case you didn't know, is the grandfather of the success movement. And he started in the early 1900s to compile the common threads to success. So over the course of the years, for over 100 years now, I don't know, not quite 100 years, but for about a century, this has been a study. And in 1994, the Hill Foundation brought all of our authors' knowledge together and they published it in this book. That's what makes this book so fantastic, is it's a compilation of everything. So tonight, we're on an assembling an attractive personality, and you can see that there is quite a bit of subtopics. Positive mental attitude, flexibility, sincerity of purpose, promptness of decision, courtesy, tact, tone of voice, the habit of smiling, facial expression, tolerance, frankness of manner and speech, a keen sense of humor, faith and infinite intelligence, also a keen sense of justice, the appropriate use of words, effective speech, emotional control, alertness of interest, versatility, fondness for people, humility, effective showmanship, clean sportsmanship, a good handshake, and personal magnetism. So my favorite is personal magnetism. In fact, there's going to be a whole series devoted to personal magnetism where we're going to devote our time to studying it. So I really am excited about that. Tonight we'll touch on it briefly. Now this is the third step in achieving long-lasting success, and that's to develop an attractive personality. As you know, the first step is to develop a mastermind, or a definiteness of purpose, and then develop a mastermind. Developing a mastermind comes first in the original publication, but in this book it is developing a definiteness of purpose. I suppose for the purpose of this book, it's defining success and working towards success. That's why a definite major purpose comes first. I guess the law of success in 16 lessons also is about going after success, but it wants to teach the mastermind principle first for some reason. So back in the day, we got into that some other video, but anyway, establishing a mastermind alliance was second, and then today is assembling an attractive personality. So that's third on the list of importance in terms of what it takes to be successful, and we'll dig in. Now, a pleasant personality is a well-rounded personality. Accordingly, there are 25 different aspects of your personality which we must strive to improve. Now, I believe the 25 areas are the areas listed behind me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yep. So we'll go over those 25 things tonight. Many of these aspects are closely related, so bear with us through the overlap. Nonetheless, a positive mental attitude, we talked about a positive mental attitude and how important that is. Positive mental attitude is the right mental attitude in any given situation and is often composed of the plus characteristics symbolized by such words as faith, integrity, hope, optimism, courage, initiative, generosity, tolerance, tact, kindliness, and good common sense. PMA is the most important aspect of any attractive personality. Indeed, it is crucial to many of the 17 principles of success. PMA influences your tone of voice, your posture, your facial expressions, and it modifies every word you say and determines the nature of the emotions you feel. It affects every thought you have and the results your thoughts bring you, and that is so true. For the sake of contrast, let's examine the effects of a negative mental attitude. Now, it's going to dampen your enthusiasm. It curtails your imagination. It undermines your desire to be cooperative. It overthrows your self-control, and it makes you sullen and intolerant. And if these weren't enough, it throws your reasoning out of gear. A negative mental attitude is so detrimental to your efforts that you are better off staying at home than venturing out into the world with it. It will only make you enemies and corrupt your good works and alliances. And that is so true. I mean, it's hard sometimes when you're not feeling so well, or if you struggle with a negative mental attitude. And, be honest with yourself. If you struggle with it, you struggle with it. And, that's the first step in taking action to changing it. A lawyer who goes into court with the best case in the world will convince neither judge nor jury if his attitude is negative. What kind of confidence would you have in a sullen, pessimistic doctor, no matter how many degrees hang on the wall? None. People simply will not tolerate a bad mental attitude. In contrast, a PMA opens doors and allows us to display our skills and our ambitions. Imagine that lawyer presenting her case with confidence, gaining the ear of judge and jury because she is distinctly self-assured. Wouldn't you rather be treated by a physician who sets you at ease, answers your